佢嘅 finger 落咗嚟，要彈翻上去嘅。So I recommended her to take rain soap. Initially, she refused. She says, "No, I don't believe in that." So then after that, after some time, she came again. So I said, "Since you are going to Chiang Mai, bring it along with you and take it." So she ordered one box. She finished that box. The trigger finger back to normal. And this one, the brain, she has, the brain is a bit foggy. So after taking it, only one box, she says her brain
foggy means what?
Foggy means 唔記得嘢喎。
哦
you know,
forgetful.
forgetful. And 佢留低一啲嘢，佢唔記得咗喎。So, but it came back. So she's very happy.
How old is she?
She's about 65, 64, 65.
Oh, okay.
So that is Kebaikan. And I've got a sister-in-law who has lymphoma, Hodgkin's lymphoma. And the daughter was telling all the cousins, "Come and see my mom. I don't think she can last." So then, so happened, 我送阿相俾佢 Chinese New Year， 我送一盒俾佢。And the doctor went into the website. She read about it. And after that, she says, ask Angeli to come and give a talk. So the mother started taking, she said, recommended 6 packets a day. So after taking, she went for chemo, half dose each time. And after 1.5 months, she went for the scan, cancer free.
Wonderful. Totally free of cancer. Praise the Lord.
Totally. 1.5 months only. No?
How many? 6 packets for 1.5 months?
1.5 months clear. But she's still taking now.
Wow, wonderful. How many packs now?
加少少啊。At first 啦，佢
你 stand there 啦。
佢嘅大白量係咪？
我知道啊。
佢嘅大白量係咪？開頭食咗個 first symptom 係咪？佢做 chemo 嘅話，佢講佢上樓梯係咪嗰個腳痹嘅，你知冇冧嘅咯？所以佢個腳唔擔唔起嘅，你知冇？ And then when she touched her legs, there's no feel. She cannot feel her hands on her thigh, you know. After taking rain soap only for 1 week, 係咪？佢咁樣 touch 有嗰個 feeling came back， and 佢上樓上佢唔需要抬起佢腳，佢 just 咁樣講啦。佢講 1 week only， you know, she can feel the difference. The energy level is raised. So her mother she told me personally.
The 65 years old lady lah.
No, 85.
85.
85, stage 4 lymphoma.
Oh, 85 now without walking stick still.
No, she never used a walking stick. 嗰時係上樓嘅時候，佢腳冇力。
佢講以前有用 walking stick。
佢以前，但係而家唔使手。但係佢做 chemo 啊，一開頭未食 rain 嘅時候，佢上樓係要抬起腳，唔使麻痹啊，冧係咪？佢個手摸佢嘅腳冇 feel， 你 cannot feel the touch。佢食咗，佢每日食6包，食咗1個禮拜係咪？就咁樣啦，個感覺翻嚟咗。上樓上咧嗰個腳咧就好似 walk freely 啦，唔係覺得話好攰擔唔起。佢食咗1個半月，做 blood test 係咪 totally free of cancer cells。
Wonderful 啊！